Hi, PaolaJo from SederQuilts. Oh my goodness, this is turning out so cute. I am changing my thread color quite frequently on this quilt because there's a lot of color to it. But every so often I am using a variegated thread in a grouping, and the thread looks so cute on the different pieces in the grouping that I'm using it. I am changing my bobbin so that my bobbin looks as pretty as possible on the fabric. So I'm using a teal here, I'm using a brown here for my bobbin thread, but I'm using the same variegated on the top. Oh my goodness, it is looking so cute. I love how a variegated thread will look different on different fabrics. Oh, it's just so cute. Anyway, I hope to see you all soon, and remember to play, play, play. Enjoy your quilting. Toodaloo. See you soon.